Let's go ahead and convert this Canva alphabet set into letter frames. We're going to go ahead and save as PNG, transparent background. We're going to go ahead and download it, and then we're going to convert it to an SVG. I use convertio.com, and I'm going to go ahead and download my PNG, and then I'm going to go ahead and select right here SVG, convert, and then we're going to go ahead and download it. Once it is downloaded as an SVG, we're going to go ahead and take it to Photopea. Here we're going to open it, our SVG. We're going to open our SVG, and then right here, drag and drop, and then it's right here. So now we're going to go ahead and find our pattern that we're just going to use it as a clipping mask. So choose the pattern of your choice, and then it's going to pop out right here, and then we're just going to extend this so it could cover all the alphabet set right here, and then we bring it all the way over here. So now that you see that it's all covered, we're going to go ahead and do the masking. We're going to start with this first letter right there. So we just right click and then drag, go down all the way to clip masking. Once you have that, then you just copy and paste. How I copy and paste is I hold on to the Alt key in the keyboard and then just drag it down to our next letter. And then as you could see, we just do it one by one, and then they're all being masked, clip masked with the pattern. Once we have that all done, we're going to go ahead and save it as the PSD right here. File, save as PSD. Once it's saved, then we go ahead and open a new, this is the size I am using, 1500 by 1125 pixels. And so we open a new Canva sheet, and then we download. We're gonna go ahead and open our projects, and how I do it is I drag my PSD file and I let it load. Once it's loaded, then I click on it and it'll appear in my new Canva. I let it load, and then we're gonna have to delete this alphabet, the one that is black, because that's the original one. We're just gonna stay with the frame and the pattern. Now we're going to go ahead and delete our pattern and add our new pattern. All the letters are individual. This is the new pattern. This is just an example. So all the letters are individual, and you get to add a different pattern to each letter if you choose to. You could also, well, this is the background, but I'm showing you the background because you could add a stroke. Right here, I'm just changing the background, but you could add, if you notice, the original had like this highlight, and then so if you add a stroke, you could see them better. So just change it, add a stroke, do not add a stroke, it's up to you, but usually all of them you could add a stroke. And there it is, you guys. You can make the stroke as thick as you want, change to different colors, the colors that match, colors that don't match, it's up to you. So once we have all that, you could start making your own designs, start using the letters individually and mix and match. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep on watching for more Canva frames, either alphabet, or I'll try to use images. Here, as you could see, the letters are individually, and you could stack them up, place them wherever you like. And then also, like I say, you could change the stroke as well. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, follow, leave a like, and a comment. I'll appreciate it.